Let's check out this Montana Legacy package. It has the in-command system. So I'll show you how to enter into that system right now. Nice, beautiful view, letting in all that natural light. Very overcast today, but you could see before we even turn the lights on how bright it is in here. Go ahead and go through and just show you how everything turns on in here. So you've got push buttons there. Over above your theater seats, you've got a dimmer switch that is a touch. So you just touch it, turns them on and off, and then you'll hold it and it actually will adjust for a dim. Up above the sofa, Trifold Sofa, you've got the two lights. There's a switch on your left-hand side. You'll go ahead and flip that on, and you got power. You also got the charging stations on each side of the couch. It does come with the television. Now stepping over to your beautiful kitchen. You got one more of the microwave. And then you've also got a light on each side above your charging stations. Nice, beautiful lighting on the island. Now in the pantry, this is going to be a motion sensor light, which is very, very convenient. Just simply open up the door, act as if you're going to step in, and boom, let there be light. On your little side table, you've got a light underneath, which you can see here. Ta-da! Now stepping up into the hall, you'll see motion sensor light right on the steps. And then into the bathroom, you've got a light right above your sink. There's here on a switch. And then you've got another light up above the toilet. Let's check out the bedroom, show you how those light switches work. And I actually did not put the slide out, so here you go, travel mode, baby. You can get to your closet and you can get a change of clothes when you're traveling if you need to. You can also jump on the bed, take a nice nap. As you can see, that bed frame is actually on a roller. It is rolling across the floor, working its way out. All right, stepping into the bedroom, you'll take a quick left and you'll have your switch on the wall. That does the main lights. You still have two lights above your bed that you have to go over and push, click on and click off. Watch as we step into both of these closets. You'll see the motion sensor lights kick on towards the top. You've got your double matching folding chairs for your dinette table downstairs. And then as you open up the wardrobe, you've got the motion sensor light with the very awesome hamper. Very few, actually I don't think anybody is doing that in the industry. So again, this is the Montana 3121 RL, just doing kind of a basic overview of how to turn everything on. Included in the legacy package, not much is different with a standard, other than the end command is the touchscreen that you can control with your phone. Other than that, it's all going to be your basic switches, all of your slides, and everything else we've run through is going to be a standard. So if you got any questions, please contact me. Don't hesitate to ask any kind of question or feel silly about asking. I absolutely love this brand. I love you guys. This is an awesome product, and you'll be very happy with it. So I'm Jared with Team Montana, and I look forward to helping you find the right RV.